I think I've passed on just by osmosis, just by being with them, just as I absorbed it being in the presence of my father, they absorbed it by being in my presence. And they all became very interested in cultures, countries. I used to buy foreign currency. That was long before euros, and I gave them foreign currency for a money collection. And I would go to the store, the stamp store, the coin store, and if they had any foreign money, I would buy it for a quarter apiece, 25 cents for each piece of money. And I said, I don't care what it's worth. Here's $10, give me 40 pieces. And then they would look at these different alphabets and the different colors of money and the different scripts and the different words. And the pictures were impressive, very different than from a greenback. And they became very interested in geography and cultures and countries. And it infused in them, just as I said, by osmosis. And they've both traveled, and they both speak Spanish, and my older one, as I said, speaks French as well. And I'm very excited and pleased how I've been able to infect them with this desire to achieve more in the idea of countries, cultures, and languages.